Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how you can start meeting notes before a meeting in Microsoft Teams. First open Microsoft Teams and go to your calendar. Now click on New to create a new meeting. Add title. Invite required attendees. Meeting date, and start time and end time. Add the meeting description. Now look for add an agenda or meeting notes option. Click on it. Now you can write your agenda, add important notes, and also add tasks for participants. Everything you write here will be visible to other. After that, just click send. Now all participants will receive the meeting invite along with the meeting notes. This helps everyone prepare before the meeting and stay organized.